How many inches are in a mile? 63,360 inches. I calculated this by knowing first that there's 12 inches in a foot, and then knowing that there's 5,280 feet in that mile, multiplying 12 by 5,280. What I don't like about the imperial system is that we have to know those random numbers. 5,280, 12, 4 quarts to a gallon, 8 ounces to a cup. There's nothing consistent about it. They're all different numbers. There's 2 pints to a quart rather than, I don't know, 4 quarts to a quart. I don't know. The metric system is just more streamlined, operating in their decimal places, basically. The milli being your thousandths, milli being your thousandths, centi being your, deci being your tenths, and then you have your base unit, which will be your grams, liters, meters. Deci will be your tens places, then hecto will be your hundredths, kilo will be your thousandths, so 1,000 grams, a kilometer, 1,000 meters, 5 kilometers, 5,000 meters. We can compare this to the current imperial system that has 4 quarts inside of the gallon, and then within each of those quarts there's 2 pints. And then inside of those pints, there's 2 cups each of those cups weighing 8 ounces. The imperial system isn't based in science like the metric system is, where the metric system revolves around water. The Celsius is divided by 100 degrees between the freezing point and boiling point of water. 1 cubic centimeter of water is where the gram comes from. A mile meaning comes from the similar meaning from the Romans. Mile meaning milli in thousand, but it's 1,000 paces, or 2 steps of a Roman on a road, which would vary day to day, changing depending on the weather. And then the foot, which everybody has a foot. There were professional measurers with the perfect feet, and the king with the yardstick that measured things to settle disputes. These aren't accurate units of measure. We can't go around putting our feet up to everything. We need some more scientific way of measuring things. And I think that 96% of the world uses the metric system. I'm not saying that because 96% of the world uses the metric system that we should too, but because the metric system is actually better, we should probably change from using pounds and ounces to measuring things in grams and kilometers, which we already do most of the time. Think about like your 5-kilometer races. Your wine bottles come in 750 milliliters. Everything is labeled already in metric, we just don't use them. Our signs are in miles, but our water bottles come in liters. So we're kind of like halfway there, but we just don't have like the final push to do it. Thank you.